Hi everyone, this is Paul Lang from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending 1/23 of 2022. The stock was Snap. This happened on Wednesday the 19th in the morning. This was based on a 60-minute power trend. PT stands for power trend. Entry on a 5-minute retest and failure. The management simple reward to risk about 1.7 to 1. Again, this is not the best trade of the week money-wise, but it was one I wanted to kind of show because it was kind of the theme of the week, so to speak, the 60-minute power trends. Coming up this week for members at DTS Educational Events, Monday will be the bi-weekly scanning night. Stop on by and get some good trading ideas or give some good trading ideas. And then Wednesday will be an educational event called What is Trading? This is based on an article I wrote a long time ago, and I think there's some great meaning in here. There will be some charts to show some of the examples of what I'm talking about, so join us on Wednesday night. DTS members will get invites to these events on the day of the event. This is the daily chart for Snap. Not a lot to learn here other than it's been falling. It's in a downtrend. It's not so extended that we couldn't continue to trade it short. Not a whole lot being shown there. The stock's going to open flat on that day and just put it in a little red bar. That's all there was on the daily chart, just allowing this trade to exist. 60-minute chart is where the real concept was. The 60-minute chart is what is in a power trend, kind of a quasi-power trend, almost some setups here, but nice flowing lower. And we're going to get a flat open, and we're going to get that little pop to retest the prior high up in there for an entry. Notice it's a very small daily bar. It's not a huge move, but makes good money because if you short the top and cover near the bottom, you make money on that whole distance. This is not what most traders do. It's why I feel a lot of traders struggle. Learn how to make money from normal moves. 5-minute chart is getting a little more detail here. We open right in there, pretty flat. We popped up, short in there, 36.17, stop 36.47. Target 1, retesting the low. Target 2 tried to catch the low, but it went a little bit lower, not terrible. And target 3, I got what I call stuck in the middle. On a move like that, you either have to kind of get aggressive and trap it at the bottom or really let it go and pivot. I tried to let it go. I took it out just before it reaches top, and then it fell at the end of the day. It never made a new low, so it would have been better probably just taking the whole second target. Of course, there's no way to know that at the time. It could have dropped a lot more. But I ended giving up some money on that third target by letting it retrace back that far. Still a decent trade overall. And it's just kind of the theme of the week. A lot of 60-minute charts is grinding lower continuously. It was a sloppy week in a lot of ways. Even though it was a very bearish week, there were hard to find a lot of good entries. 1-minute chart just showing you a little more detail. We opened somewhere in there. Entry right there, came under that bottoming tail from a couple bars back there. And then target 1, you can see clearly bottoming tail into the low of the day. Target 2, you can see how I got taken out there in that little shake move before it really hit the bottom. And target 3 off the chart here. For those of you interested in trades like this, nice, organized, you can understand and play along, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. If you're at the DTS website, you can figure out how to join us. This is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.